I'm going to talk about centers of spread. Now, I like to call these the 3 M's. Why do we call them the 3 M's? Well, there's 3 of them, all beginning with M. And what are they? Well, the first one, if you remember, is the mean. This is what we call the traditional average. And where we add all the values together and we divide by the number there are. So it's the sum of all the values divide by the number. In mathematics, we call that sigma, the sum of all the values, over n. And this is an important formula that you need to remember. The second one, going to be remember, is called the mode. Now remember this 2 ways. One is that the other word that I'm looking for also begins MO. And secondly, from a magazine article, which hopefully I can click on here. There we go. Called Le Mode. Le Mode used to be a French fashion magazine. And that French fashion magazine was called Le Mode because it was all about, what was it about? It was about the most common fashion of the time. And therefore this is the most common value that we see. This can be done for both numerical data and for non-numerical data. And the last one, anybody know, is called the median. And I've used the wrong color there, so I'll just change that back. Okay, it's called the median. Why is it called the median? Well, I remember this for 2 reasons. It has M and D in it, just like the word median. And also, like remembering Le Mode, there's also a one for median, and that's a median road strip. That's the concrete strip in the middle of the road. And that concrete strip in the middle of the road is actually called the median. And therefore it's the middle value. Now the important thing when we find the middle value is that they must be in ascending order. Just like when we line up for a school photo, we go from the shortest person to the tallest person. They must be in ascending order. Or equally we could have descending, but we're looking for the middle person, this person here in the middle. And sometimes that can be a bit tricky because we think, well, if there's 4 people, the middle is 2. That's half, but not the middle. So I always think about it, and you're going to laugh at my hand drawing here, of thinking about my hand. There's 5 people there. N equals 5. And the middle person is the 3rd person. If there was only 4 people, the middle person would be the 2.5 person. If there was 4 people, it would be the 2.5 person. So to find the middle value, the formula that you can use is add 1 to the n value and halve it. Or the way that I like to do it is halve it and then go, hang on, that's not right because of the finger idea. I need to then add a half. It's your choice. I like this one here. So there we go. Centers of spread. Another word that we call them, they're averages. And we have 3 types. We call them the 3 M's. Mean, the traditional average, where we add them all up and divide by the number there are. The mode, which is the most common, like Le Mode, the French fashion magazine. And median, like the median road trip, the middle value.